Welcome to Services Ground, where we decode the future of tech and work. Today's big question: your job versus AI in 2025, who wins? Let's break it down. AI is rapidly changing the job market, but it's not just about replacement. It's about transformation. Yes, tasks that are repetitive and rule-based are being automated: data entry, customer support, scheduling. But AI is also creating new roles: prompt engineers, AI trainers, human AI designers, and more. So the real question isn't, will AI take your job? It's, can you adapt, upskill, and learn to work with AI? The roles that will thrive in 2025 are the ones that AI can't easily replace. Think creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, leadership, and storytelling. Now here's how to stay ahead. Learn to use AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Notion AI. Upskill in prompt engineering, data analysis, human AI collaboration. Stay flexible, because change is the new normal. Build your brand. AI can't replace your unique voice. So, who wins in 2025? The people who work with AI, not against it. Thanks for listening. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What are you learning to future-proof your job? See you in the next one, only on Services Ground.